defrost. Different program. And then just add your time. Usually set so not very noisy. You can just pause it. It works so great. Big compared to my kitchen. Like this.
I just unboxed the microwave. I plug it in. But what's happening is I have been trying since my food is inside and I put the timer start, but it will be counting, but inside the microwave is not turning and also heating up. It's totally not turning and heating up. I have been trying like 5 times. It is not still showing, and as you can see the time is reducing, but nothing is happening. I don't know what to do again. If I can get my refund, I'll be happy. I bought it expensive and this is what's happening with the microwave, as you can see. And the time is reducing, but it's not heating up and it is not turning.
I think you got a flame.